The following video contains content and or language which may be considered unsuitable for younger viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, what a goddamn journey. There are 3 YouTube Udall came succeeded the one. Also the one got succeeded, then another one, and now another one? Are we just carry on with the Udalls every day?
Well, the YouTube Udall is finished now until a few days later.
I'm thinking about this whole world.
Lots of different people everywhere.
And when I go anywhere I see love. I see love. I see love.
The Beach Boys, 1970.
Did you know where I have been now?
Hey, look, guys, my mom is coming back to our studio. Give a big cheer, everyone.
You have selected Evil Cheryl as the main clone.
Now who's that? It's Evil Cheryl, classic Cheryl's evil twin.
Don't talk that way or I'll kick you in the crow's nest.
It's not a crow's nest, it's a cloth.
Watch it or I'll whack you with the fancy past.
Fancy past? What? That's pronounced fence post, not fancy past. Now I don't want to watch ads on the Reddit's
Not so fucking fast. Didn't you realize that saying that can get you arrested by the cops? Also I all gonna shit all over you for this catso brackers. Now you're gonna get it. Bums away.
That, now you sat all over me.
Get the hell out of here. You, blay.
We are not Goliaths. Eve, blah.
You're so terrible. You, blay.
That's an Evil Cheryl. For shitting over classic Cheryl, Mr. Gaston, Spokely Rogers, and Bosco Rogers. Let me give it a kick.
No, Carol, don't do that. No.
Oh no. Now it's started to rain a little. Oh no. Now it's turning heavier.
Don't worry, Jack.